Hey friends, welcome back to another Whole Food Wednesday video. I know I haven't posted in a couple of weeks. I wasn't feeling very well, and then last week I just didn't feel right posting a video the day after the events that occurred in Texas, and I just needed some time to process what was happening. But I'm back with another recipe, so we're gonna jump right in. So for today's video, guys, we're going to be making a Mexican queso casserole. And to start that, we're going to be slicing up some potatoes. You want these to be about 1/8 inch thick. Now, if you're doing it by hand, that's fine too, because you're going to pre-cook these. And if you're using your mandolin, of course, be careful. Once you get close, make sure you use your guard. Be safe always. No one wants to chop off a finger. So after I've chopped these up, I'm going to toss these in a pot of cold water, bring it to a boil, and boil for 4 to 6 minutes. You're just looking for them to get a little tender, and then you're going to set those to the side and get started on building your casserole. So I'm just going to add in some corn, some rinsed and drained black beans, and then I used 2 cans of that. And of course, as always, the full written recipe will be in the description box below. And then I have a can of rotel, and I'm going to use the entire thing, including all of its juices. And then I have some salsa. You could use any salsa of choice. And then I have 1 serving here of or 1 batch, should I say, of my queso that I made in my last recipe. So you want to make that recipe and use the entire thing for this. So this is what's going to make it creamy and delicious and hold everything together. And so it's really simple to put this together. You're just going to mix all these ingredients together, and then we're going to top it off with those potatoes, and we're going to bake it in the oven, and it's super, super delicious. So once you're done with your mixture, you're going to go ahead and take those potatoes that you prepared, and you're going to start layering them over your dish in a row, overlapping each and every one of them. So once you finish layering your casserole, you're going to go ahead and bake this for 25 minutes in a preheated oven, and then you're going to place it under the broiler for 2 to 3 minutes. And then it's ready to serve. This is so creamy and delicious. This is so indulgent. It feels like a cheat meal almost, because it's just so delicious. You could really use any queso of your choice, but I have a recipe here on my channel in my last video, and I will link it down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you make one of my recipes, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!